Hey, welcome back to Nick Vic Locks. Tonight I have a Sepa 5000 padlock. Sepa, I don't know how you want to say it. It's a 40mm brass body padlock with a dimple core. It is a orange belt in the LPU belt ranking system. This one I picked up from Lockpicker's bench. So if we look at the key here, we can see I have 2 rows of 5, and then here on the top there are 2 other. Might help if we zoom in so you can see this. On the side here, I have 2 rows of 5, and then on the edges here, we have 2 pins as well. So you would look at this, count 5, 5, 2, and think that it's a 12-pin dimple lock. It's not. It is a 5-pin lock. And the pins here, I'm assuming are for key control, and then these other pins that are on the top are for they're passive pins. So you don't have to touch those or mess with them at all. So thank you. Other one like this. Yeah, okay. So here, the top row are active pins. If we take a look at it, you can see we have some max lifts in 1, 3, and 5. So something to be mindful of when picking. And then the other thing with it too is I can go to here pretty well, but it takes some force to really get that over. I don't know how well that's coming through on the camera. Let's see. That's it, catching. Oh, but 40mm brass body, dimple padlock, orange belt. We'll throw it in the vise, get it picked open, and see what it takes to get into it. I think it has some spools in it. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll get it open. All right, see you in a second. All right. Let's see if we can get into this here. One, two, three, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Get that open. Zoom out some. There we go. So yes, shimmable. Zoom in a little bit more on it here. $40mm Sepa 5000 brass body padlock. There's that key bitting one more time. So near max in 1, 3, and 5. Very little lift in 2. And then medium-ish lift there in 4. Yeah. All right. So, if nobody told you, you matter, you're important, and I'm glad you're here. Y'all have a good one.
Juno, you want to subscribe?